Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Check the key fob battery and the car battery. Both should read roughly 0 volts. Once done, close every door, hood, and trunk. Sit in the driver's seat with any dealer or locksmith code available. Now insert the key and follow the model-specific ignition sequence. Turn to ACC then off, or cycle to run then back to off. This step wakes the vehicle's body control module to accept a new remote. Move deliberately. Mistakes force a restart. Once the vehicle is awake, you enter programming mode via the prescribed method. Perform the exact ignition cycles or press the factory program switch. Then, when the car signals readiness, typically by locking, flashing, or beeping, press and hold the remote's lock and unlock buttons as instructed. You should wait for confirmation, a horn chirp, lock pulse, or dash light. If you have more remotes, program them sequentially now. Most systems accept several without exiting programming mode, so don't rush between presses. To finish, exit programming by turning the ignition to OFF and remove the key. Step outside and test lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions from about 5 to 10 feet. If the remote doesn't respond, first swap the fob battery and repeat the sequence. Weak cells often mimic programming failures. If problems persist, inspect keyless entry and BCM fuses and verify you followed the exact timing. For stubborn cases, contact a dealer or certified locksmith. They can run diagnostics or reflash the module.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.